Welcome to qiariai, your partner in digital wellness. We believe in empowering you to achieve optimal well-being, naturally and effectively. Let's explore how qiariai can transform your daily life through our flexible plans. Begin your journey into digital wellness with absolutely no commitment. Our free plan is the perfect introduction to the power of qiariai. Experience a taste of our unique energetic support and feel the initial subtle benefits. It's your first step towards a more balanced you. Ready to build a consistent foundation for your well-being? The basic plan offers unlimited access to essential energies, helping you establish a daily routine. This plan provides a solid base for sustained energetic support, fostering a sense of calm and vitality every day. It's an accessible way to integrate wellness into your life. Optimize your life naturally with our most chosen plan. The core plan is designed to drive performance, enhance your appearance, and sharpen your focus. You'll gain access to an expanded suite of energies and advanced controls. Allowing for more personalized support, this plan helps you unlock your full potential. Experience unrivaled energetic mastery with the ultimate qiariai experience. The Ultra Plan unlocks the power to simultaneously target up to 10 areas with 5 different energies. You'll access every tool for profound holistic transformation, achieving comprehensive well-being. This is the pinnacle of personalized energetic support. No matter where you are in your wellness journey, qiariai has a plan to support your goals. Start feeling better, performing better, and living better today. We are here to guide you every step of the way.